In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect NinjaTrader to TradingView. This process allows you to integrate these two powerful platforms, giving you the ability to leverage NinjaTrader's robust trading functionalities alongside TradingView's advanced charting features. Whether you're new to trading or a seasoned pro, connecting these platforms can enhance your trading experience by providing more comprehensive tools at your fingertips. To get started, open TradingView and head straight to your chart section. You can do this by logging into your TradingView account and selecting a chart that suits your trading strategy. The chart interface should now be visible, displaying all the data you need to analyze your trading positions. It's essential to have your charts set up the way you like, because this will serve as your main visual reference once both platforms are connected. Now, once you're on the chart, you want to look for a small arrow at the bottom of your screen. This arrow is crucial as it serves as the gateway to connecting other services. Click on it and it will expand a menu at the bottom of your TradingView chart. Within this expanded menu, you'll find an option labeled Trading Panel. Clicking on Trading Panel is your next step. This panel is an essential feature within TradingView as it lists all the brokers and services you can connect to TradingView. As you move forward, you'll need to locate the option that says Show All Brokers. Clicking this link broadens the list of available services, and this is where you'll find NinjaTrader. This step is particularly important if NinjaTrader isn't prominently displayed in the initial list of brokers. Upon revealing all the available brokers, go ahead and click on NinjaTrader. Selecting NinjaTrader initiates the process of connecting it to TradingView. Here, make sure you have your NinjaTrader account credentials handy, as you'll need to log in to complete the connection. Finally, with NinjaTrader selected, the last thing you need to do is click on Connect. This action prompts TradingView to establish a connection with NinjaTrader using the login credentials you provided. Once the connection is successful, you should see a confirmation, often displayed as an active status or a check mark, indicating you're all set to start using NinjaTrader within TradingView. As a tip, double check that your internet connection is stable during this process. It's also wise to ensure that your TradingView and NinjaTrader accounts are both updated to the latest version for optimal performance. By following these steps, you've successfully connected NinjaTrader to TradingView, unlocking a more dynamic trading environment. You can now place trades using NinjaTrader's functionality, all within the interface of TradingView's highly sophisticated charting tools. Happy trading, and enjoy the seamless experience of using these two powerhouse platforms together.